Login failed on Desjardins Bank Fix. You go to log into your Desjardins bank account, maybe to pay a bill or check your balance, and suddenly, login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry. Most people can solve this issue in just a few easy steps. First, check whether the problem is on Desjardins' end. The bank sometimes performs maintenance or experiences temporary outages. Search Desjardins outage or visit their website for updates. If it's a system-wide issue, waiting a short while usually fixes it. If it's not an outage, your next step is to check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause failed logins. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi or restarting your router or phone. Now, make sure your Desjardins app is up to date. Outdated versions often cause security or compatibility errors. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Desjardins, and tap Update if an update is available. If that doesn't help, clear your app's cache or reinstall it. On Android, open Settings, find the Desjardins app and select Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to refresh its settings. Double-check your login details. If you use autofill, it might be inserting outdated credentials. Type your username and password manually. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. Here's a hidden fix most users miss: check your phone's date and time settings. If they're not set automatically, Desjardins secure servers might reject your login. Enable Set Automatically in your device settings. Lastly, if you're using a VPN, ad blocker, or firewall, try turning it off temporarily. These tools can sometimes block the secure connection your banking app needs. Once you've gone through these steps, reopen the app and log in again. Most of the time, it'll work right away. So if your Desjardins login keeps failing, don't stress. It's rarely a serious issue, just a few quick fixes, and you'll be back to managing your money with confidence.